day closed its eyes in the Seattle rain, and I'm caught in a doubt. I still miss a frame, like your bones know the truth. When your heart tells a lie, I guess I hope that you feel it too. And I miss you, I miss you. Don't feel like a damn thing's changed. I miss you, I miss you. Here is your chance to say the same. You'd be like roses in the spring, the smell of rain that it brings, sprinkled with a bit of angel dust. The first fresh cut of grass, a homemade making tap, a mix of everything that I love. If I could bottle you up, you'd be one of a kind, the best I'll ever find, always making something out of nothing much. Oh, you're everything I need, you're the promise that I keep. Don't think that I could ever be if I could bottle you up. Not a single drop would be left in my cup. Oh, if I could bottle you up, you'd be like roses in the spring, the smell of rain that it brings, sprinkled with a bit of angel dust. And I know you feel the way I imagine every day, a mix of everything that I love. If I could bottle you up, oh, if I could bottle you up.